aboa ama eye apomuden etimi ama no homne so
abusia ye wi a be wura abono na po efam oba pa na ya ka kire for God and country no so ona bo Thomas adu ape abetena so na nkomo a wabọ say ya abono east ba ye nyina da e ka ho ne ebe mo so no anya ne na so nyina
ensam no ahodo bebre e ka we no ho na eduru be mene da ne ya memene na ya ndase ne ya betena se de nsam ne brawo sani ya jaka wanim ho no Ghana nkomo no nyina na watwi mu firi na no dwoda de ba besi nrafie ni a wose asasi ukoso ma woti bio eno na woti a witi bi bo trinkosi a ja edino no wamuno no betimi aye me man Ghana no edu ba bia ase a sasa nyamba ye na ma ye wie ni nyina Ghana nkomo ye besi uso esan de ama obi o na anuanom a ye agebre ni ya chechire nsem nyina kama ni yasanim esa abesepane kodi na haba ni atasne benyasafo ni benimdifo de ama wo no na asafo kantanka na abo ye chido mini din obrempon na kwaku ampoma wadema kuma chia mene
nana opon checheku ena afi
triple amai ejapia apamdada menkwansa yeba
number 1 kana afei yanto ansam ne so nhyase ya kama efito kura ya befa na afei yamfa ansam no nyina emfa emawo na engineer Kenneth Ashigbe wono na bra na ano yaka ya hubo mo se Ghana ha bidumo yase ya mpagadam se wono na di yanim a ya fere se coalition association against galamse wo na wo penipa ya wadano nyabotre na yamo Ghana nkomo ne kakra na waka say wase say odi ayo wo mo anasifo yi so adokotafo osu ena asofo pentecost fo okra su a methodist fo osu basri fo okra de danka sanse wo munya nsu okra mu asu wo mu anya waka say roman fo okra de bitimi de petu won so aso dem ntom de wo mo okra de esu no nheda mma bebre na wo munyine su wo munya nsu emfa mu asu na adokotafo nsu su say ade ayeba no anu woden dodo no enu nyina ache se efuma gudi ekwo na yeturu kwambone so kwamfu ayedam so yetu a ayeji o man nsem no ya age nsem wa ne sa ya brempo na ne wo bre ne wo ta won so wo mere ya unya ye nhome erinti won de wo ka wo mu se ya bre nanso se ye jai se si ya ya ti wo se ya na nkrofo ya hunu nso nyina ma nso da timi yira befa ye won so mpaka se che nsem no sei.
The situation is that this is you tired on a raft, and you know that if you leave it, you will sink and you will die. Sometimes you hear people ask you, and then, what are you doing? You know, this thing, unfortunately, I just going back and looking at data from Operation Vanguard and all of that. The good thing about some of the things they're doing, if you take the responsible mining, for example, they've taken the failures in community mining and they're trying to improve it. But you see, again, the issue about law. And you have an executive president. The president comes to say he knows his people are involved in it. The Attorney General works with him. Why are we not prosecuting them? The only person now that we know, October 2024, the president tells us when he was then campaigning that it is not these people who are in the pit that are the problem. The problem are the kingpin. The only kingpin that I can see being prosecuted currently is if you take Professor Frimpong Waters' report. What is happening to that? Nothing. Again, when civil society makes His Excellency the President, Attorney General told us that he's waiting for the report from Iyoko. What has happened to that?
Attorney General no abeka na saa 3 na ya kwetara we ase wa na ya abehu anu wabutu eno anu no wo muntibe nya hwe abemu mpanifo party mpanifo ene wono mu aka nam so ama hemfo nyina de wo hwagim ya wo mo ye bi ekwa ka wo mo si swimming pool we nyina ye nsem a ekoso e wo man Ghana mu ena me anu ofa engineer Kenneth Ashigbe wa gbogbo mu sa de ama yen
na yentu akase ne so na yenkopie mu ewo eye Asante Mantemwe na eye Electricity Company of Ghana for ena edi ensembia baba tudwa pani kwanchefo a wode adwumakuo chenchenche anu eye engineer Julius Kwame na yewe no de tudwa chem se Asante Mantem ye kro kase bia abrini dombia nipa ne tra na omotre enu nti ehu behia se wo se ehwe na ye pagya anyinam ahoden so won potem wonom na fo bia timi nya anyinam ahoden ema ne timi efa so edidi ne djuma na enu mu anenam so ama de akokoto dwa chem se yi se nyina mahode we ya santimante betima pema koso a e wo se transformers awro nso no yetimi de bi e de baba beka ho nti ya ka sei wo baba deploy e ya transformers makomako a ha miensa na fe wo de akomia mpotemu abia bibie betima boa ma nyina mahode nso etime gyina ne naso opani nya akonya de nsem ni baba tudwa na timamufo bi ete wonum na eke tudwa chem se ya ka sei ye wo mia ni bi wo honum a kanea eni ho ebinum nso wo honum a ye so mo de anopa anwumre ni adum no eno ana eye ensam kan ye bi efri mu ba ya ebeto dwa kire mu se ewu banya se wo so mo nya time table na time table no mo ya eno ne betima aboa mo papa na mo de agina so ade mo dwumadie bia mo pese mo didie eno wanu ye animu mu aye animu nkranhye ana yewura engineer Julius ede eto in central for anim say
we have interventions we're working on within 3 months. So a lot of the local problems we have in the communities, we'll be addressing them within a period of 3 months. Then we have programs for 3 to 6 months, and then we have programs for 1 year. So this particular project forms part of 1 year program that we're doing. The work on the Anumaso to the Kase substation, we expect to complete that within 3 months. Each of the project and its specific time. But by the end of this process, in fact, within 6 months, residents in Kumasi should start seeing real improvement in the power supply. And by the end of the year, we should be able to resolve all of it. The work we're doing covers what we call the medium voltage and then the low voltage. The distribution work you're talking about falls under the low voltage work. But this particular project here covers the medium voltage. The medium voltage is 33,000 volts and 11,000 volts. So you will see work going concurrently.
We penny kwanchefo a wo ate ewo ECG adwumakuo ni mu engineer Julius Kwame penpena na abusuan yete se wode nsem ni awrehwemu yi ede ma santemantem
abusuan yanto ansam no so na afe yansan so nwura mu a ene ye kɔ awonwi ene na afa eno ewo atoyati fimantenum na achemfo ni yewura eno nso eye kura asesei ye kampuntuo pa edimirika na edwane nanso akama esa wo mpuntuo no fakase na wo mo na keka wonsa ase na wono moyo enti wono mo shefa ya to ne din se Achemfest na Achemfest na se na honorable Oscar Oforilabi wone na pamfo wono mo kopi ase na opompani ya wotoso mienu wone odi kura wo ho na di kan ekasai ewo dwumade na ase kire die ntia wono mo ahyehye sa afa hye na wo mo de keka wonsa ase Nana branche nana opompani a wotoso mienu wonna ya achemfo wo hena wo ho enti wone emabu na wo ho ka won ho bo mu hyefa na wo mo ka won sa asese wo betimi afre mpuntu amana ba no eno bi na wo bobo de wono behia wo ho enti a wo mo ye de wono mo wei ede akire na abusua ewie no anso ho Honorable Oscar Oforilabi wonna ye awoyin constituency wo mo mra hye bedwani na yewura Oscar nso mekobi mankabi wose basa na ayesede sabio yetu kwan na wakobie nanso ye bo amane unhunu se de obesi abo de ede afa wono nso sei ene wode to amane bofo anim
historic because awon ta nhyiamudi entansi da bia ye behia enya yewua na ya ware impuntuo nhyiamudi say there this is the first of its kind na nanum tiase they should emulate it once any nipa aban ko antumi nye no bi be ya ma okra se nte se ne wa wo you yeah into hwe mpuntu dwuma na na bobọ su ya ya betre hai eye den a ye de ba ko e beto ya kuma pon so ya hwe amana di mu ya keka yen sase sa sika ni nyina eco developmental project mu sa ne chechire oman na se ye bibia sa aban ko aban be yo no me ya na just say wo so oti ho nti me bo nana achemfo nana upon the second abaso se nia odi asha isi omane so ha anka be ya anka fibia no onye
Emrasa badwani a wono na wo awin constituency honorable Oscar ofole abi wona wakasa no wieye no na Ewura Ebenezer obiri wono na ye CEO Edema Letons Group Company wo mu say buy ebebo abi wono nso de odi to so ni
Atebuwa masiti we kura ye ganan se ya na no komo ya deep mine ni tikwa ni ya duma arobia ne de ba be twa mu keke ekoye development bia ni mbaze ya kweme ke kwa moto so ama ne be do take compound as is ya fe na panifo eguso omo no mo edis house o se o me pa jame fo bibia o ko ma bia na abai to me ba me chance ko so na are bibia ni a o community center bibia ni a ya se me mo anke to abi to say rufisi anyway mo le bia
enti chairman Abrante no dwumade na se wonna wo mu yi ni seti training na wono nso kasa Ewura Ebenezer obiri
na wansam foforo mu no we di omodi kan ye bi na wono na wo mfofo a wo atwema ya bi wo atwema kwa ngoma mansini mu asantemantam mu wo mu de edu ye ya no mo toto de sere ba wa bedu honorable minister for development awa Ghana ha e ba bia waje aboso wo mu de to ya nimta no kure wo mu de nkomo mpene kase bia mpo ka wo mu be community center pe ena niam kitin bia aka no de agya okeka bomu kure se de nru ba bia ho nanso aya kan wo musika asam no asa tate ba su lazy ano no enkwa hwe anunti wo monam sa aya so etoto e de asre empanifo a ewo atwuma kwa ngoma mensiri no mu asante mantam ana titiriw wonu mafiri atwuma ya be ya wo mo amonane wo mo kura won kran ha ene wo mo agya to ne kapra kakra wo mo nsem nyina se mo mra fie na maboa na ya benso ye yi a eye ma ye ne a
wodi yesre o mindful yesre adofun mu a wo mu wa kwantuo ya me a mitina e maye wo ba panyina mitina ho ya me kasa wo bia ne me mesre mo mo manyina wo anomane nyina kwantuo yesre wo mu se wo bia fre ne ma ya dwumadie ya ye bedie wo mu ba boa yen na bibia ye totin na bibia so ye kama e di amayen
ye emwa e pese de boa ya be man fa de fan ne tuma fa ne se ye commission na ye yen pese commission center Gun center no nananom ne committee ni asere man ya kabum ama e pese ya ade feferi esuo because ye ko grobia so a e koso pa atikronim ubi ye ya ayi fro no e bra so de crowd ni o ama sa ura konimu a ama sa e ba kronim
wei aye adehye bi ye wo atwema ya be eno asante mantam mu eno mde amaneboi eto ba wa bedu anim se anya hwe mo amotro ne nkapre enkrane kumase ene mo amano ne amotie ye ene mo amohwe ye Facebook live mo amo France amohwe ye live etie live e wada for radio ya mo fa to ne kapre euros no mo fa kakra mere ya before no mo fa nya community center no
na ya ka wo se ya nwumre no nsia bremu kasebo ena waso eguso a wutie wani so hwebi eka wo bi ne ye besere wo se udu eye social media honoma na wa like wa share no asan so do comment e de ato obi e de aba na ya ka wo se wei ene ya kase etwa to enemem ni dem ochena na wo bete ye nka ye to aso na bunu apoye mantemu ena eye nesesefo a wo ho ne nkura bata ne bi ede nsem bia babeto dwa akasa ede afa eye wo man Ghana mu anu se ewo sene apomode hu hia pai ene se ye ka o man Ghana na bebi bia obeko bia no ye mfa eye apomode anko ho no man na sabe ka mate se won saka poma no wancha opa no enu nti bunu East Regional Chapter a wo da Union of Professional Nurses and Midwife wo na ekasa yi wo mo se wo mo kama na to wiasa fo na nyina sumu akere se apomudi wo we ewu hia afie dwumadi chenchencha omudi ya omofre ne conference ye botae kesi omode to so ne se nurse ni ana obi a woje awo na setina mu ya ade ehu behia pa enu nti wo se a nurse a midwife is a critical agent of healthcare enumu no na enumu na eye buno apueye pani a wono na woda eye nurses ni midwife we ya no Mami Joyce Eshon wode to dwatem se nukurenie wo man Ghana nsentropho aka the fourth arm for ho ene sanete de ya nsentropho free wa wo mo ana wo sansa apomudi wo we ehunya pa ntene ye omudi omudwumade kasese no ehu benya se wo so mamu ni nyina di nidie ediko ema eye nurses for na omo so madwuma omo ye no so no ehunya
Utaya omudisi omani sunese or say a nurse and a midwife as a critical agent of healthcare, the role of the labor unions in the 21st century. It is a wish a nurses and midwives. A day juma pa na ye critical. Kase be a critical. I just say ye ni mo ye nyama bebre ye kanfa nurses and midwives. Ye say your backbone. Don't pay away chin. Say ni wa won't mean na ho. To share the whole world that nurses ye dosun pa na yenso na ye tumi ehwema pomuden etumi ejina ne nanso. That is the thing. Enti ye hwe niema ye mapomudin etumi gina ne nas. Na fenso ye hwe se unions na ewo ho no. Omo so mudwumadie kra enisen. Ye tumi di ma ye ho. Ye di ma ye ayarefo a omo ba ye nchen. Ye hwe nso ema ayarefo no omapomudin esisi so. Ekyerɛkyerɛ ayarefo no so ema yare ahoro a ekoso ewo peduanim. Na pembebre no ya na ede na nurse ye obi abeka se ye hwe ayarefo what goes into it no ya na ye tumi enka ne ye.
We Mami Joyce Eshon ena yete nka no na enu akire Ghana hanum ni nyina pani a woda eye ekoi ano a we national president ye Ramaswell Obri Yeboa ono nso de bi tu twetwemu se wo be hye aban ne se aban ne hwe na on pay attention kase pa enfama necessifo ne titiri wo mo wo eye union mu sei se obi ba yaresabia na oba bagya wo a sabrin mu no Uni ma ban A, uni ma ban B. Ni aka na ye ntete ya uko suku ye de kwakwa wo sa nso de wa adwene ebeka ho bie.
In time pass no me page na afele say union dey adwuma ne say ye dede ne employer na eku na ye threaten strike watch na ye hunu nipa na e wo man ye hunu employers ye be say draw attention say union na adwuma ne go beyond say ye dede ye nso ye betumi ahwe ye hu union no ye the welfare policies be bring aba as a union aye dey boa ye members ye dey mat aba o TV say o phone say we hear tools be no ade say wa ba mat wa ba beje now dey akwa ye adwuma to America. The health insurance ama your members need na complementing national health insurance. Yes, I'm a health support. Yes, I'm a legal services to our members. Most importantly, the hospital be a YAC Ayatu Nidi UPNMG Advanced Medical and Academic Center. I have a nurse for you na yes be mwama omo o my Ghana munye. The human say place a o yare na ko em so we dey mikonya excellent care. Na nurse for so yare say I had a Miami.
We Ramaswell Obri Yeboa national president our da ekoyano na kase muni nyina bo ne tofa wie no da behene a owo eye techiman traditional area honomo wonu kro ye osanso eye kente hene ene kente de ofa ne kwa ohene ba na ntwi buosi akudi second wonu so hye ekuo inkran etwam se dwumedi omudie ne de omo na no omo te se teacherfo omo aketua wosoro nanso omo ye ne yi a aketua chenchirenche ombenya no asase so a nananom so eta omochiri.
The power of the union is Chuboi, and that's why Chuboi is not gentle. The politicians, they only understand one word. As soon as you make Chuboi, things are done properly. So make good use of them. There are so many tools that you can then connect. You have to do that. The 21st century has redefined healthcare, and it's no longer just about navigation. You are the critical agent because you navigate the patient through a complex web of technology and emotional trauma and physical recovery. You are required to master sophisticated medical equipment and data record keeping that did not exist in recent ago. Especially here in the East region, they are offering trusted authority on public health, from vaccinations derived from mental and maternal education. In an era of global pandemic and rising lifestyle, the human touch remains the most. You provide the empathy that a medicine, a machine cannot simulate. 21st century labor union go beyond the picket line. The team asked us to look at the role of the labor union. Historically, unions were seen only through the lens of strikes and protests. Those were the days.
wei eye ohiniba entry bu osiakun the second okopie mu ewo eye techima nananum atrankonwa wono ana woye kente hene ena yete ninkan amane obapa nana ya aka akire na yamane boni anase yadwuma yeni owo eye Sompa branch ana tomane yen
ene techima 106.1 FM ehwa na for God and country dwumadie no nso no wote agwamu a wode ba ntemu na honorable Thomas Eduapia kane pa no ya na abuna hafo bomu no wobeye NPP titinani edema abuna hafo ansa na ntemu no ba ewie no wokọ buna pu eyefa ho eno nso wodi first time akire na akonwa ne free ne nse ekodi chemaya bi ho sesi ye wasan ada nani abasa wosan aba na nkonwa sabre no wo mo preto ho nyina ne afiri wo mo nsa enti de onum to ne yede ne to kyere no ano wosan aba na fe sade wo mo si mo danta na kane ya wo mo nimba bi ato no ne kwa ada no wo mo fa ne sa akwa akwaji nkonwa ne biu enti won na ya ka kyere edi nkomo of God and country so mpata chiman ne wo bie so se ansa na bono apoya manta no kure beba no nanka ye kamanta na ne nka ho wo hwa na ya hafo savana ene ne otinom na na epre nanso wo mo hwa hafo no sabre kuma bi ase mensem na wo mo pe bia na bono apoya no nso eye ba ya asa no na wo mo nso nya bieyeye na wo mo de kokopre na no do ye ntie se de wosi eka no bra na wone wo bapa na ya ka akire ena na edi nkomo wo dwumadi a ya tore din se for God and country e was Sompa techima
It's your no more apply to Pluto region, that was Ahafo region, and that of Uchi, and Savannah. I'm not going to say in Pluto region, and from no. It's a bus, and I said, no question. Say it me in your region, no, a classic. Especially, I am for to teach my name. Can't you, my Yana? If you ain't Kransakra, may I been say, if I see a joining side the creation of the blue is until me Kai, Nana teach my henny, Nana Hensahene, Kafur, or Hannibal Professor Milkonfi. All the traditional areas to say support. And mahina more. Until there was a time required the prof the call a basa mahino. Kumi Kaji, the system and see him. It should know acting Abase, Nanaiji, mahine, Concomba, mahine. To all I have from agree. And I should petition say I have 4 Kodia and I also good instance you deserve to say, create a region far and my
Honorable Thomas Eduapia dodo na abonum rane se Big Toma ono enene na ya ka akire edi nkomo for God and country so Sompa techman ewie no watch say the anam so pa 2020 so no mba no wo mudi ntwoteta na ewie ya da agima mudu baumia wama wo mamu bo anwie kura wo ka se tawo no watro mama afa a wo bo na mane no ni nyina ye wo be se apathy entity mu e bai ne wo mo kan e bia no Womo yes anamfa anyasem kopemse enkugo bawie
your constituency proud to 2020 elections now the constituency executives was sharply divided 17 constituency executives now 8 will be not 7 will be if you meet in cry when you say you kai necessarily your constituency the MP who can be on person who see eye to the constituency executive it is all for you compared to a kotia and my constituency executive so o me preach state and house so say sana obey here and me it's like to continue the MPP in it would be when you see elections party no the make kind of regional reconciliation team and going forward no and I say we shall see what's so sorry oh not just say sa man na me ba be no region because I'm got actually 4 years na here kono na we no be ana me be to say we are regional chairman na constituency visitation so here
etiawa Honorable Thomas Eduapia Big Toma NPP bunapu efam no kane no wo yetitinani sesei wo san ba biu na waba abeje akonnwa no titru de afiri wo so no nsa asan de amaso no biu
ene ye bose enche be ya kadan afi ye nwura mu na otwi mu nsem nyina nia eba ye ne na ne akire kama emfa ema na ya sha se afiri na no odwoda no ena kane atane general wono no ye ka cheso ya ba lo ya pani ya ise wo na ho megie mu Godfred ye bo adame wo kasa no wo chese ye ya George fo PMP empanimfo na omo Ghana ha ne binu musuni wo ban pa wo mre to oman Ghana mu a edi fi na egu adwodjefo se ne yeso omo de omo ho no edi fi na egu omo ho na ne nsem ne nyina no wo kire mu sei.
Some members of the judiciary have also started to say become willing enablers of these violations with unjustified detentions of opponents of the ruling party. The unwarranted denial of bail to members of the MPP and frivolous prosecution of a few for the expression of views on matters of public interest cast a slur on the integrity and independence of the judiciary. The most absurd effort to suppress free expression was witnessed in the baseless arrest, prosecution and denial of bail to some members of the MPP recently for expression of their views on the LGBTQ matter through the circulation of materials in the form of caricature of some members of the John Mahama administration.
Wey kane aban lawyer penny ya no ha tentrene eso o man Ghana mu Godfred ye bo adame
na dano dwadana no na His Excellency John Kwame Dramani Mahama nso ejina simpe ni apaso no de to da kire mu se aibra wo babeso abenua mu ebabe se obeso aye se Ghana man penny no nukure ne na ehwe bebe inflation ekeka kwa na ekeka ko eye 30% ono ne beje na 24 na just 30 de edu anisa nanso ebra na ye kasai wetimi abo no modern teso ama na ba bedu 4% wose ne buta kase pa ne se obema inflation no aba be gina timpim ene one figure single rate na just ene ejina ho no mo saa kopem se bia obefra kwanya so na eno nso mu nkyeremu a odi tudwa no ebini.
Because of the resilience of our economy, our currency is stable, inflation is stable. We've been able to manage the petroleum prices so that we cushion our citizens and prevent inflation from going back up to the levels that we came to meet it. When we came into office, inflation was running above 24%. That inflation has been brought down to under 4%, and we intend to keep it like that. We have done this by just being physically disciplined.
Enia yeti ye His Excellency John Kwame Dramani Mahama Ghana man penny eno de nsemi etu dwada no edwada no
edwada kro na Ghana man penny esanka se bio se uhu se kanea na edumu a enya se dum so na aba se de ya na ebinom ka no no na mom Electricity Company of Ghana de edum nkanea na ebi ato wo mudin se yifon eje no wo mo ena eye wo mo nsiesie bi ne se hunti ma yemfa mobo edum ne adan edwada no ena wo kan asasem no
1980s when we started the National Electrification Program. At that time, the population of Ghana was much smaller than it is today. I think some 19 million or 18. Today we're 33 million. And it means that all our communities are expanded. So if we take the example of the transformer in Lashing, which was 22 years old, you can imagine that the transformer was installed 22 years ago. And since then, the community has expanded beyond the capacity of the transformer. That's why you have the lines being very unstable. And for many years, ECG and NEDCO have not done a mass replacement of transformers to upgrade the power of the transformers to be able to meet the growing demand in the communities.
Edaju adano ena obi esase miso nti hu se kanea no ebia na ofa ho no adumu a eyensiesie na wo no moyo se enche kura na nkeje to ho no na wie no wo se wo ya wo kan no wotu mira no wa kiresie esanse bi wo ho anasie na wuhunu na eboda so no onde ya kire ne prince wo mo atom fidi mono titru transformers no ya wote se wo mo hye bie na finance minister so abo akire ahwese energy ministry no ebetoto sa transformer nyina mono chiate roba edebesi so ama power no ebegina ne na so.
And so the minister made the request and cabinet updates. The Minister of Finance came to the assistance of the Ministry of Energy and have acquired a lot of transformers for installation nationwide, currently 2,500 transformers. And so we're going to see stable power after this first phase. And like he said, after that, constantly we'll keep taking out the old transformers so that Ghana can have stable power. And so like he said, I'll appeal to our people. The outages you are facing are not doing so. It is to enable you get better quality and stable.
Aye, and you made that new run on our better free. And one of our kind of brofo said you know, and you do so. NCC.
Ano sa no, drop off one so our Johnson so wo mutie. Na no sa National Road Safety Authority Penipa Abraham Amaleba or Esquire. What about two just Voxy, Saka, Kukanketi? One more no man find your commercial and this a palm crown in the team. No, one more free a year and cry, no more crowns and not a team and Abracum Doma, one more man for Saka and Amfo. Elizabeth, one would just in some way. Nano, Anna, one more cousin. We are quite in some baby. Now, 12 penny, we'll get a penny on your man's high boncomo. Adema Concerned Drivers Association of Ghana, Sidagafo, David Abuado. One international and national reporter, none of what you could not have boncomo, you can't get a benuncomo, who are now upon the news. And what I say, we are more canina. Nyado for them for more. And your castle no problem. I'm a fan of castle. Now, one getting near. Drop a phone at Tika no. Woman, problem no.
Omama yati asesino waye rush na emu transplanting engineers and fit for no omo ye ho adwuma omo dum ehu adwuma papa because obuni na ngasa waye portion na to order that eno an say utu we dia ko ha no akoto steeraga left hand and the boss nti di omo ka say omo di jaka na omo ye ni say no enya no pe eni nti fox na nkasa enye problem be yen adra for no ye any problem di nti na ye ka say any problem ye ti steer na chi a ye say yen ho a na ye box yes and say AC and air condition the road glass in your passengers na wom semrika na no ye de no mo kan na ye adrapo ya ye gine say one ye bia mesiu na be bia ye be ka say yesiu no so no na ebo ye be bia o ka kire obi a 77 ne ni aframpo so usi no wokra ne ye mbehye no eno na ye adrapo ye eni nti enye car no na ye problem na emu ye driver no ene ne problem
na sanya nwanwa ade we mesi minya eka Drop near where you overtaking, or the Kukankiti bio. One was on so bad and soon, woman you overtaking at the pedestrian walkway. Now, we are not the questions I can't know. Nonsense, where David Abuado, where we are said, I have a problem back here, Quino. And tis a Muslim about Bani Kranoa, 207, one on a Timmy accident, any alupri, any accident to Ghana, a man ye, near Voxy.
Problem back where Sarfo be a pine. So, okay, be a accident, KCC, a driver for an phone so now a pine so a phone so and it's Foxy now almost say or more bandino. The grass deviate and so about Bontain, have a castle or my say near or be the buyer. Yes, and it's Minister Echo Shian, Minister Maeti, as I say, and better on the pronounce. Now, Omubu will be Musa, Emma say, ye Babe bandit, inti bandit there is not part of it at all, and you will be Susuye. Now, ye Kaka and Kosomo Bandi or Ghana, ye driver for you in 207 or some bandit. Because 207, and if you be a say, Shane in your accident, on it Benz in your accident, on it tractor in your accident, on it train in your accident, as I plane in your accident, Nina, Ghana. Bayam bandit. Now we now say Voxy. Voxy Suba Ghana, and you have with you into your mom for you, no money to bring back here.
Abraham Malaba, come on, Chagui. Yes, it's a quantum tina, you know. One more cotton in a num tea and one pea, a top of Manas as in Wagano, and you been one corner of Romania, hey, near Pebibia Bania, near 1 minute trata, any train, any alupre, Nina accident, you are no good in Amo. Now, Voxy, and go on getting it here. Where David Abuado was we and go quankit and get it. Woman accident.
Yentua Castiano eso. Na dano bradanso. One say we crumpo dear and yam when you want some of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. One more any offenso. Attorney General. One mon talk ya Sabia done in home a year Sabibola Sujayi. And no moon some beer. Manam so Emma a year Deputy Attorney General. Dr. Justice Ramsay. What the Baba to Jatrim say, name some kind of bet me a cardia fan near Coso, OSP, any offenso, Attorney General Munu, or Chemucha, some Pacas, some Pacas, yet the 2 many more. Fenyam Sania, what can some no cre, Edia 2 a yobiasum, Obia Betty, and to a trim.
I do not believe that the Act authorizes the OSP, because from even the long title of the Act and the section, the body of the Act, there's nothing there which says that the OSP is hereby authorized. There are statements in the law which says that the OSP should seek the authorization of the Attorney General. There is an established way of authorizing persons to prosecute. There are 2 main ways for public officials. It is by what we call an executive instrument. So if you look at the police, GRA officials, senates, Yoko. We give them executive instruments to prosecute a certain class of cases. And even this, sometimes we give you the fiats to prosecute in a particular court. So you don't cross even to a different court to go and prosecute, even if it's the same offense.
Na enweche na wasanso di to dwachire mu se sesia ye kasei wo office of the special prosecutor ni dibre ekuta no ene ni tumi ekuta no wono ene eye attorney general mu so a wo kire mu sei.
Even though the arms of government are collaborating, they cannot take over another power, another branch of government's power. So if anyone is suggesting that by merely presenting the law to Parliament, even draft, all laws in Parliament are drafted from Attorney General's Department, or even drafting it or helping Parliament to do something, by that alone you have authorized or you have exercised executive power. That is not it. Executive power doesn't make laws, neither would legislative power delegate executive power. Others also argue that by the LI, by submitting the LI and stating some things in the LI means that the AG has, when Parliament makes a law and commands the AG to do something and AG complies, AG cannot be said to have exercised its discretion. What it means that you have compelled the Attorney General to do something, or you have what we call fettered the Attorney General's discretion.
Eni ayeti ye aye Deputy Attorney General Dano Bradano eno di nsemu yi etuja.
Abusia Bradana mu Asante Mawura woteko koso otumfo se to otoso mienu kin Solomon wapenso ye boni dia na ya boye mu ase ne ya kasa na nyankwada wo kasai pa e ma de hye ni bi bob na se ei ba bia duru dia ya trapo na openso asam ne se we no e de kokobo na e ma ban panimfo bia ya na wo msu se na wo ma ban wo power ntino wo mutimi ye bibia kai hu ne se aban wo power no one day yesesa no e da ase boy bre be so am ya to aba ubo sa konwa na wa yeyere no na afiri wonsa na fe woni timamufo asa ba be yepe nanso nananom de wo mo ya akrobeto ukokora abasa ba beto won na afutue wode ma no wo chese sade nananom manso twe asore wo nkuro bi no so wo boye bo sampa bo nkyira bo amanten ene asante akyem de nyina ede ka ho na nwoma eda ya yetifiri ne wuranum.
Oh, Minister for Camp. And President, Regional Minister or President, Minister for Local Government or Kahu, Minister for Interior, Omyaka, Tampa, Mopa, Chinipa, oh, yeah, Namwa Chifa, now Regional Minister, not Fred Judge, holiday, no affairs, a woman's on remand. May catch one and Crawford, young Minister, Mray Ninkaso, why? Mray Ninkaso, and then 1 year 2 minutes, won't find your dear Mope. Sampa, you won't run on so. Then, media some will be a free ivory post to me, Trump control. And Crawford cried in Sika heady. Now on that, near whom cry, my father changed up for Patapabedi.
And here, what ye name for near Woheno, Ayas Antimaura, King Solomon, whatever coso, Otum for said to Otosu me, no, and Wakasa way at Abnada and as Abnai, a P.
And no one way, Neddy Moana, Quaco Galam says. Now, if you want me to Funtamon Sassy, now him for Nibin Sukra. Any politicians who cry, ministers who cry, no Massaji, Galamse, no one a and no. Now, no Jim Trenia, where Dinamo de Mar, Church of Pentecost as Sarfo, Apostle Eric Namiche, walk assassin home watches a wood you. Near Galamse, are you my Ghana? Galamse, Pentecost, woman to make Uncle Boysu, I won't swim. I just said, one more shot artificial swimming pool. Now, you do no, you do no, jar or barnes on Concro demo, and your near Jesso, and your sa, and so yes, saying what was one, and yes, saying what today. Now, but I walk as I was saying, nay, I saw a be and I know what did to Jar. One more general conference in your toes with the Anango, I see, and Okas asked him, we see.
The extensive pollution of water bodies due to illegal mining has hampered traditional water baptism in some mining communities, necessitating a shift to synthetic rubber pools in several districts to carry out the ordinance. Retention of souls. While we give glory to God for the multiple of souls won, a critical challenge, unfavorable rainfall patterns, and the deterioration of cocoa farms have disestablished the livelihood of members who depend on agriculture and farming. These unpredicted environmental conditions, along with the seasonal migration of fisher folks, continue to impact the steady financial growth and stability of affected local assemblies.
And affected local assemblies. Apostle Eric Nyameche, only Jemtenia or that. Church of Pentecost Sarfo na no e na no wo kire say no kure say ukodu anyinam say anyinam mu ntimi mo asu obre mu bio aje so mo ria no nketenkete say ya wo me artificial wine no we no okokan ya amanfo apa line
na pani kwanchefo a wono na woda eye Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company ano GCMC na danu ukwada no de nsem bi to nsentrofo anim ne nsem kan ya wode tu dwa na kiremu se sesi aye kasai eye cylinders awohoro ewo man Ghana mu anu sei no danu omu di dwumadie bie na dwumadie na omu di ye no enam so emo mutimi nya cylinders ni bebre na enkoye ewo man Ghana mu enumu ano ne nsentrofo kasa ya Yera Abdul Rahman Mankal Waye Managing Director Wada Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company ano Wadi tun central for him.
Very soon we are going to partner with NPA to do full-scale public education on the cylinder recirculation model. But one thing we've realized is that at some parts, even in Accra, some people don't even know about the CRM. And so when we do the full-scale public education, we are sure people are going to come on board. And there is also something very critical we need to talk about. See, when you look at the cylinders that come here for the refurbishment, they usually come in batches. Sometimes they come and about 30% of them that come are not good and they are not safe to go back into the market. And so if not because of the cylinder recirculation model, we will still have those cylinders sitting in people's homes, and that is jeopardizing safety. And so
Mo and Sami was so we and womantem, me and Sape, and Kramantem, Kumasi mantem, Enatema, and so can be at a Samudisa, Jumedia way, Omo here, Nimukwan say, Mantema Canusono, on Betuatisum.
Ukiadano, nay, midweek. Midweek no more, even Mucha or Mo Bancano. Na wasono bana nso wo nam yensure hunahuna demonstration enti wo de kopie mu wo bono manta na henkro sunyane ya na ojima opambo no na odi wo machi ya de ekobia no wo fa bi be na ura Jerry Ahmed na wodi kankasai ne nsem no eda wukreda bi ni.
It's actually regressive. It's so much under attack. Almost every agency or institution is being weaponized by the government of the day. What is happening to us? Say, Yentiminya Kabimami Kabibumana, FM station, and TV station. The next thing is that they will trace you now, I bet you. Almost as I say, Omutia Dentakumi, wine and I don't really understand. People had the F-1 to use, say, Baumia or Yupekunam or Numunsa, a Muslim of his caliber. Then I am Kanchi Akufado. Yakaka say, Onuka Obemu. Nanya mempe boninti bimu omukazi akufado be unuka omo ahead of akufado. He's still alive and strong. Why? And just the fact that you promised the people that you were going to.
Enti yensura hunahuna demonstration o yechere na ekọ so obono mantemu eda wukuada no. Na baba Amando yene no say Abubakar Sadiq ya wono wo mo chi no nansan bi mho. Woni chairman abronye no. Wono nso ka bi.
It is being raped by President Mahama and his cronies. Clearly, Mabuno Machie over the past 6 months, from Obama Pokuase to Adenta Kumi to Fanti Comedy to Yera Branye, Bono region. Now, the Baba Mando account. Maybe I'm your last stop for President Mahama to arrest another youth in this country. He will have to pass through me. And that's why today the people of Ghana will register our displeasure because President Mahama remains one of the greatest beneficiaries of free speech. And today we will not allow him to intimidate us. We have
we da wukuada yensura hunahuna demonstration midweek no de ekọ so e wo bono manta henkro ya na opambo ageman wodi free Sompa sunyane ebrele
afa yengra ya wada na ya wada mu no ana na ne na asemi na ya kase pa se yesi LGBTQI+ ahon komo na ye monwie ye no ana samjaje wa alaje ana wade to onamnyamfo ntimfo de so se wo no sa transgender musician na friend say Angel Maxine no wo no sheshe ho na samjaji alaji e kan prosecution aka ho no say no aka no.
There's a gentleman for whom a video was leaked and an altercation between himself and a male lover of him came up last year, a gentleman known as Educator. Now, he can be charged on the basis of the video of male and male intercourse. That is a different thing. But aside from that video that came out, that individual holds himself out and promotes homosexual activity on his social media page, that person is holding himself out. So there is an act, and the actor's rules and mens rea can be determined from his activity. His public commentary he has made where he admits to what his sexual preferences are. It is not just about making the statement. That the actor's rules then goes to what has he been doing.
I am George and Robert. What has he been doing? Sir, and that's one of the social. Dear them one day. What can we have? And one man you one of the Yakra. I sent out to me for Reverend John in Tim Fojo. Was he a putter for the way?
A male who claims that he has transitioned to a female and has held himself out on TV and done music videos, and now claims that he is having intersex with Honorable Intim Fojo, and that Honorable Intim Fojo is his gay lover. We are saying we can't hold the person is not holding, and that is not prosecutable.
Chairman, my name has come up. It is important I respond. In her whole present life, as contrary to her claim, contrary to his or her claim that she has had some.
Oh no, and Mr. Chairman, when you know your quantum LGBT and some no one come on Shibejamuno, and on another some judge, Halagia, Abeka, Nature. And now, for Tim for the Casa, some judge in Nimia walk away, Panyas will be soon. And on come and the one I know Yawadano, and the essence you should be able.
Abusia, ya won't puano de Aniamwan, ye bedia grow, Danu Yawada Cronamuno, LGBTQ, or home comoya, a year obi, eti who be ditcher moon. And I'm so Emma Methodist as a for no, Openia or no, and our da not for ano, a one cry, Northern Accra houses. Openi di to judge them say. Obesha mampeni se ni titru emfa mrashebeja fuim se mrashebeja fo emrane babeto manu mama mo mprem ho kra ankoye se bia be debate dabi mo de mo mpazi ni straight away se na be yekodu mampeni ni mu a ono nso bepa big pen ni bie na wodi asisu wasan na ma na baba ye mra. That says Bishop Andrew Imbia Beji.
Number 2 is the LGBTQ plus bill. The issue of the passing of the LGBTQ bill has come up again lately. Several religious bodies and personalities have spoken about it, encouraging the parliament to pass the bill and the president to assent to it when it gets to his table. The Catholic Bishops' Conference has spoken about it, and our own presiding bishop has also spoken about it. And I add my voice to it, urging the parliament and His Excellency the President to expedite action on it.
Na enweche na wasan so de share aban ne chese aban wasraw semra dum mu modern pa na ba beto wanimu a misra empepro ho kura ntra ho e ma ne nche ebio wo be hye ayesuku sa ahoro edwedi ahoro na eno no se no sifa kire mu no Bishop Ghana 40
where to the government. Number 1 is on maintenance of governance system in the mission schools. I call on the government to maintain the status quo regarding the operation and running of mission schools in the country. The proposal of the Constitutional Review Committee to alter the current system, if implemented.
We in sema esiye danu ya wadaya etwemu yi.
Ene ya wadanwa ena Association of Online Drivers. Womo nso declare akoma amampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Na owura Austin Mensa wono enenya adaje edi mema nanim na wokoka asem no na de yentie de okaye nansa.
Association of Online Drivers e wonu say okofu person esikentwa nanka and it's affecting us. Say wa toka na wa sorry am about the pakofe petrol na ekuka no wa na woto tai ju wa na obeto food obepo servicing ni na driver for local. Me about young boni uba omo ya ma ya ni say omo di app le buy aye yes in 2013 emra na ya papa president mama wa uba na di kan buy first no mo charge
eno ye Osemensa won na di wo mo ni ndekrata no koe eno owura Samuel aye say ye woje ye.
I can assure you that this petition will be forwarded to His Excellency the President. Thank you. And I am happy that you've elucidated the benefits of online driving.
Eno da yawada.
Enti afeyewie ewo enura efiada na enura efiada no ena colleges of education makomako aduanan enkron wo mpanifo ada wo manim wo so aduanan enkron pepepe en wo so wo ye demonstration adan a recruitment adansa wo ye no 7,000 pe wo breko a wo promise automatic posting eno ena pani a woni amansa bo nkomo edema wo divine na nija wono di ko yanim ema wo ko abankasiem kura wo se ye mo nwuram eno nti wo ko Ministry of Finance edu amansam ko to mpanifo anim se
so be ya ka so so mo like how it would be so they are not okay with what is going on they should do. So we're expecting say by the close of the day we should be able to have almost all the 49 colleges of education doing something small to register their displeasure. So we can say, so that is why we have to as well also look at some of the things. As you see, they are picking leadership from all the 49 colleges of education. For this one there, submit petition. This week, so as leadership of all the 49 colleges of education is submitted.
Oh, anu omu nyina aguka hunu amoko na press for ayo ho bebre. Enti divine na nija no we wie ya pe na yera Patrick numo wono so gina aso afo resikasem so na na mu agi petition no.
Represent the people of Ghana at the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank annual meetings. We left his work and the people behind to take care of the business of the ministry. We were informed that a group is coming to meet him at 1 o'clock today. We have been waiting since then, and he arrived a few minutes ago. We were coming to meet you, and the songs we heard you singing, the chantings we heard from you, meant that you are not even ready to listen to the ministry.
Dr. Patrick Numo, Teacher Training Association of Ghana. Wamo anko bata for no bi ane na na point cheku national international reporter ane che 2 man kra no dey news wamo so ne che 2 man say concerned teachers no wamo ka mo hi asem e de che na point cheku enra e ma no de bre so mpaka se ebusia na nka ye hese yensa ebeka aye consent teachers no wamo ene na ye de ama na ye to akase
to the representative our chief of finance or I say achi petition on his behalf it no assure say obe hand over the petition to him and I assure mu say so am farm na anti omunka we will be back again to the year Kenya so montia omunka wo so mu share
Bonsha na ya akadan no eno ana mpanifo dan wo mo we ya teacher for nsem ni bia
na enra fiada Sarfo no anohwe enye wo den so ene afesu green transition ano yewra abu jinapo na wono no de akoto dwa kire mu se nokura ni nyame anum nie ye hwe eje ye ehye ewo eye akosommo great ko ho no mo na ehu ben ya se wo se ye hwe na ye pe eye empanifo mo mkotina simple so omo ga de kodi enam so a esiye enam so ma wo pawo chairman ya woda eye ekoi ano ye William Amuna onu kroya yi wo ye boche ewo eye electricity company of Ghana enkan no ye chief executive awoda griko ano a wa hye ne se won hye na ompe kwan a ejei ehye ye no fomfam nsem emetuja.
The situation that we need to get to the bottom, and so immediately the ministry is setting up a 7-member committee, which will be chaired by Engineer Muna himself, who was the chief executive here before. He is also the board chair of the Electricity Company of Ghana. We're going to get experts to serve on that committee from the Fire Service, from National Security, from the Energy Commission, and other institutions that would help us to conduct it.
Eni ayeti yi Sarfo awono anohwe ye nyina mahode ne green transition ano yera John Abdullahi Jinapo
na edafia da no na Ghana mampani bra wo mo pa AI intelligence dwumadie no hontoma no entama wo be kire se we ye bai codes no wo mo dwumadie ente codes program.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Our commitment to AI is not merely aspirational, it is already evident in policy and implementation. In the 2026 budget, government prioritized the deployment of artificial intelligence across strategic institutions. For example, the Ghana Revenue Authority is currently using AI-driven systems to reduce processing time, minimize errors, and strengthen domestic revenue mobilization. This is only the beginning. This
way shasye afe na umbe na kesiye ama mobinyum Ghana man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama way ye defiada enkomo a eto debia
ye de wasi ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye ni yankrobata ni nyina Ghana this week medimafo aba center Dr. Tamida so wadano na time about mixture enso so yasene no ye de ni nyina asie enianom no eye basa odomankoma chiame obrempon nana kwaku ampoma mene
nana opon checheku enafi
triple amen ejapia apamadada